attention, please.
What is shaking, everyone? Welcome back. It's been a while since we've had a little heart-to-heart, little sit-down chat. I think the last one was back in March. I don't think we did one in June, so I think it was March was the last time we had one of these. But I just wanted to get on, let you know what's coming up, because in about 12 hours, we will be headed down to Disneyland. So I wanted to get on, let you know what's going on, let you know what we're going to eat, because you all know we love Disneyland restaurants. We also have one little wrinkle that we're going to throw in the middle of the week. So I had to get on, let you know what's going on, because it's going to be jam-packed, and we are super excited. We're going for a week. It's been a while since we've been there for this long. And like I said, in about 12 hours, we'll be headed down. So really quickly, because I am in the process of packing, I am way behind schedule. Let's do a quick rundown. Sunday, Storytellers. That's like our go-to restaurant when we get down to the Disneyland Resort. So Sunday night, tomorrow night, we will be eating at Storytellers. It's a buffet. We've eaten here before, but we will definitely show you guys like always. Monday, Oga's Cantina. Thanks in part to the reservation system that is now available, we were able to book a reservation for Oga's Cantina. So we are super excited for that since we missed out in June. The line was 3 hours long. I'm hoping it's only like 15-20 minutes now. Tuesday, we have Lamplight Lounge, another staple. We've done this one millions of times. And again, you're going to see it all. Wednesday, I'm going to get back to that. Wednesday's a little secret surprise. Thursday, Carnations, just because. Just because it's Carnations. And Saturday, we're ending our trip with Blue Bayou. Now, they've brought some old meals, some old recipes back. So that's the whole reason why we're going back to Blue Bayou, because they took some things off. They took the jambalaya off. They brought in a seafood bouillabaisse. I'm not big on seafood bouillabaisse. Then that was completely gone. Now they brought the jambalaya back. So we're going back. It's one of my favorite restaurants. And I don't think I've ever filmed it. I've never put it on camera. So this will be a first. Finally, I'm going to film Blue Bayou for you guys. Give you a little review. Let you know what's new. Let you know what's changed. So now let's get back to Wednesday. So on Wednesday, we are going to take a break from Disneyland. Yes, I know that's a little odd and a little strange. But we are going to check out and head over to Universal. Now, Ashley and I have never been there. Never. I've been to Islands of Adventure over in Florida at the Universal Resort. Their sister park. But I've never been to Universal Studios Hollywood. So I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can, because there's so much copyright music. They don't let you film on every ride. It's going to be hard, but I'm going to do my best. We're going to document this and get it on. It's just, we're really excited for Universal just because we've never been there. So that's going to be a little surprise, little wrinkle in the middle of the week. And we also have a couple little small surprises. So this time around, we are going to try to live stream as much as we possibly can. We are going to live stream over on Instagram, the Electrical Parade, any other parade, just me meandering through, talking, rambling. I mean, nothing's different than on here as opposed to Instagram. So we're going to try to live stream more. We've always done pictures in the past, and our feeds have kind of been lackluster. Well, that's going to change. That's all going to change this time around. So if you're not already following us, go to Instagram, type in Disneydna, and you will be able to follow along. That's the best way to follow along when we are in Disneyland. It's hard to do YouTube videos. It's hard to find time to edit and to upload. So the best way to follow along is on Instagram. So I want to hear from you guys. What do you want to see this trip? Like I said, we are going for a week. Obviously, I'm not going to have themes or enough to fill. So I'm asking you, I'm relying on all of your comments. What do you want to see? What do you want us to do? What do you want us to eat? Check out all of the above. But it's up to you. Leave a comment down below and we will try our best to fit it into our videos. So that is going to do it for today, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed. If you haven't done so already, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when other videos like this or other park adventure videos are uploaded. And as always, if you're at any of the Disney parks, tell Mickey and Minnie I say hi. And like I said, we are really excited. And in about 12 hours, we will be in Disneyland. So I will see you all a little later.